Okay, welcome back, children. So already you know the electronic configuration to write. So just we'll do some recapitulation of that. So recapitulation. See electronic configuration. So we know that the atomic number of hydrogen is 1. So hydrogen, the symbol is that, and the atomic number is 1. So one electron is present in the hydrogen and it is occupied in K shell. K shell. Only one electron is there, the first shell. First shell is what? The nearest shell to the nucleus is called first shell. In the first shell, the one electron will be occupied. Before writing, to write this electronic configuration of elements, we should know some rule. There is a rule how the electrons are actually occupied in the subshells of the atom. Subshells of the cells. See, K is having a S subshell. If you take L is having 2 subshells, S and P, M is having 3 subshells, S, P, D. How the electrons are occupied actually? There is a rule to write the electronic configuration. That is called Aufbau's rule. Aufbau's rule. According to this rule, we have to write the electronic configuration. See, write this. See, in your page, so line is there like this. See, write this like so 1s you write over here and leave one line and write 2s and 2p here. So this is K shell, this is K shell, this is L shell, this is M shell, this is N shell. Like this way we write. 2s. See, L is having only one shell, that is S. S subshell. See, K. So here, those who don't know to write the electronic configuration, please listen. Those who forgot, maybe all of you, many of you know to write the electronic configuration. Those who have forgot, please listen over here. This is very important concept. This you need this always to study the chemistry. So L is having 2 subshells, S and P. That is represented here. See here, 2 is nothing but this number. This is it tells about the energy level. L energy level is 2. That time it tells 2s and 2p. Means L is having 2 subshells, S and P. That's why we write 2s. 2s is nothing but it is a 2 means L, S means a subshell. Then here 3s, 3p, and 3d. Here 4s, 4p, 4d, and 4f. So next. So K, L, M, N, O. 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f. Understood? Like this way you have to write. I hope you understood. So I'll write it now. How to follow the which cell first comes and second cell which is that. See here. The first is 1s, then 2s, 2p, then 3s, 3p, 3d, then 4s, 4p, 4d, and 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f. So 6s, 6p, 6d, then 7s. Like this. It continues, huh? So see, The first is this is going to fill first, and followed by this one, followed by this one. See, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, followed by 3p, then 4s, then 3d, 4p, 5s, then 4d, 5p, 6s, then finally like this. See here. Is it visible? I told you to write like one in one line, one s, then leave one line and write 2s and 2p, and leave one line and write 3s, 3p, 3d. Leave a lot of gaps so that you can write this. So first cell is 1s, means you write, if you write the electronic configuration of hydrogen, electronic configuration. Say hydrogen, atomic number is 1 and 1s1. Means the one electron which is present in the hydrogen will occupy in first shell, K shell, and the S subshell, that is 1. Helium, if you take helium, the atomic number is 2. So 1s2 you written. See, then beryllium. Beryllium is how much? 3. So 1s2. See here. It is having, beryllium is having the 3 electrons. 2 electrons are occupied in 1s. So 1s is completed now. See, 1s, S subshell occupies 2 electrons. S subshell occupies 2 electrons. So it is completed now. So 1s is completed. We have to move to the 2s. 2s. So 2s1. So see, 2, 3. 3 electrons are completed, occupied. Then we know lithium. Lithium is 4. So 1s2 and 2s2. Here, this is also completed now. This is also completed. Lithium. So 2s, 2 is a little bit L shell, and S is S2 of 2 electrons are occupied. Finish that. Next is boron. Boron means 5. 5 electrons are present. How these 5 electrons are distributed? 2 electrons are distributed in 1s, and 2 electrons are distributed in 2s, and in 2p. Next cell is which? So after 2s, 2p comes. 2p how much? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So totally 5 electrons. So I hope you are getting my point. So any doubts, please raise your hands. Already this concept is studied. That's why I'm going first. Then carbon. Carbon is 6. 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2p, 2. Understood? So next 3 you write. Show me, display the answers. Yeah, sorry, I wrote here. Lithium comes first. Sorry. Thank you. Who is that? I don't know. So here lithium comes first, then beryllium, 1s2, 2s1, and here is 4, 1s2, 2s2. Yeah, like this. You write next one, that is nitrogen. Nitrogen 7, oxygen 8. Then you write about fluorine 9, and neon Till here you write the electronic configuration and display for me. So write this. Write the electronic configuration of nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon, and display the answer to me first. I will tell the names here. Those who have to display the answers. Everybody completed? Anybody completed writing the electronic configuration of nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon? If you completed, please let me know. Last to display the answers. Raise your hands, those are completed. Okay, Rachita, Aryan. Bhumika, display your answer.
Sir, not completed.
Not completed. Okay.
Sir, I'm writing.
Okay. Thank you. Chinmay completed. Chinmay completed.
Sir, writing, sir.
Okay. Aryan, show me the answer. Display the answer. Unmute your video.
Nitrogen 7, 1s square, 2s square.
You show me, display the video. Unmute your video. Display with help of video.
Okay, sir.
Show me the whatever you have written now. Show me by the help of video.
Okay, sir.
Rachita, show me. Display your answer. Display your electron configuration. So, the Aryan, Rachita, Vaishnavi, Diksha, and Swasti. Display your answers. I'm unmuting you and you are muting again.
Okay, sir.
I'm unmuting you because to show the answer. Display your answers. Okay, Diksha. Bring it closer, little close. Bring it little close. Okay, thank you. Diksha, thank you. It's right. Okay. Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, neon. Neon, it is wrong. Vaishnavi, ಆರ್ಯಗಡೆ
ಹಾ ಸರ್
ನಿಯಾನ್ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋದು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಇದು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ ದಿಸ್ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ಅಗೇನ್ ಆರ್ಯನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ನಿಯಾನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಯನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ follow this here 2p is there 2p in 2p electron 2p shell 6 electron is occupied. Yeah, Rachita, right answer. You are right. Rachita, good. Yeah, who is it? Swati. Swati, you are wrong. Neuron, not neon, it is. Neon. You have written neuron. Neon, it is. Neon. Chaya, show me the answer. Those are written, show me the answers. Show me your electronic configuration. Follow this Abbas rule. This is rule you have to follow. Say 1s is occupied first, then 2s will be occupied. 2p. So 2p here. See, if I write carbon, see the carbon. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Means 2 electrons is occupied. P, what is the capacity of P? Capacity of P is 6. 6 electron can be occupied. Show me the electronic configuration of nitrogen. ಏನು ಬರೀತಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಭಿರಾಮ್ ತಪ್ಪದು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಬರೀತಿದ್ಯಾ ನೀನು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೀದೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಭಿರಾಮ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಛಾಯಾ ರೈಟ್ ಛಾಯಾ ಗುಡ್ ಛಾಯಾ is written Anushree you are wrong Anushree you are wrong show me those Vaishnavi have you corrected that if you have corrected that you show me display your answer
sir.
okay So I'm going to write here nitrogen. Please understand nitrogen atomic number is 7. So see here. So first is 1s2 means out of 7 electrons, two are occupied in 1s and next is 2s. In 2s, yes also two electrons are occupied. After 2s, next comes here the arrow mark. Follow the arrow mark and 2p. The capacity of P is 6. The capacity of P is 6 means 6 electron can be occupied. So how many? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, remaining 3. Out of 7, 4 already occupied. Rest 3 electrons are occupied in P shell. P cells here. It is occupied in P now. So 7, totally 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we'll come to the oxygen. Oxygen 8. So 1s2. So out of 8 electron, 2 are occupied in 1s, and in 2s again 2 electrons are occupied, and in 2p total 8 electrons. 2 are occupied in 1s, 2 are occupied in 2s, and rest of the electron, that is 4 electron is occupied in p shell subcell. Then fluorine 9. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p 5. See 5 electron, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9. 9 electrons are occupied in various subcell. So neon is 10. See, some of you are doing this mistake. You are not, see, P capacity is 6. All the 6 electrons should be occupied. Then we have to move from P to D. See here. See 2p, then 3s, then 3p, D. After that D comes. So 1s2, 2s2. See, this is the neon. Neon atomic number is 10. That means 2 electrons are occupied in 1s and 2 electrons are occupied in 2s, and rest of 6 electron is occupied in P. This completes now P. P is completed now. See, P capacity of P is 6. That means 6 electron is occupied in P. This becomes electronic configuration of neon. ಇನ್ನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೋಡಿಯಂ atomic number of sodium is 11. That means so it is 1s2. So 2 electron in 2s also 2 electrons, and in 3p 6 electrons. Totally 10 electrons are occupied. See, this p is completely filled now. Completely filled. After 3p, sorry. See, after 2s, 2p comes, 2p comes, 2p is completely 6 are occupied. After this, after 2p, after 2p, see after 2p comes 3s. 3s comes, 3s. So 3s 1. Totally 11 electrons are occupied. 2 here, 2 in 2s orbit and 6 in p orbit, and in 3s 1 orbit. Follow this one. After completing p, you have to jump to the 3s. Before completing the p, you have jumped to 3s. Some of you. ನೋಡಿ ಏನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. So if you have still doubt, please ask. Bhumika, written? Bhumika, have you written that? Now write it.
Yes, sir.
I'll give one next now. We'll write magnesium atomic number is 12 and aluminum 13, silicon is 14 and phosphorus is 15. Write it. So some more examples. Okay. You try to write now. Magnesium atomic number is 12. Atomic number of aluminum is 13. Atomic number of silicon is 14. And the phosphorus is 15. Follow like this. Here. One more I will give you. Say magnesium. Magnesium atomic number is 12. Atomic number is 12. Means 12 electrons are present in the magnesium. All those electrons are occupied in various subshells. These are the subshells here. So first you write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Means 10 electrons are occupied already. So in 2 electrons in 1s and 8 electrons in 2s and 2p. In 2s2 and 2p6. Then 3p. Sorry, 3s 2 electron. Now see, S subshell is having occupied. So in the S subshell, 2 electrons are occupied. I have written 2 over here. That means the electronic configuration of magnesium is completed now. 2 plus 2 4 plus 6 10, 10 plus 2 12. No doubt idea. Diksha, what happened? You are raising the hands.
Sir, completed.
Okay, you know it. I already have seen your answers were correct actually. Those are completed. Magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus. So one more I will give you like sulfur 16. Rachita has completed. Before only she has shown the answer, and Chaya has shown. Then Swasti has shown. So it was wrong. Vaishnavi completed. If you completed, please show me, display your answer. Display your electronic configuration. Displayed. Suchan your video.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Sushrita Bhatt, you also display your answer. If you have doubt, you just call me in the afternoon. Afternoon, you just call me. You can make a video call also if you need. WhatsApp call you can do. Swati. Yeah, now it is correct. Swati correct. Sushrita, show it properly. It is turn clockwise. Turn clockwise. Chaya, you are right. You are already shown that time only. You know it. Thank you. Good. Yeah, who is this? Sushrita. Show it. Turn it like this. Anti-clockwise. Yeah. Danya. Yeah, Danya again, Danya wrong. See here, 3s. 3. Danya, try to understand. After 2p6, 3s comes. 3s over. S capacity is only 2. S capacity is only 2 over here. Why you are written 6? I don't know. The capacity of S is only 2. 6 cannot be written there. And for phosphorus you have written 5. Again it is wrong. Silicon you have written 4. Wrong it is. Yeah, what's this? Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi. Electronic configuration again it is wrong. You are right. Why you are jumping for 4s? See, follow this. After 3s, 3p comes. After 3s, 3p comes.
Okay, sir.
Then after 3p, 4s comes. Try to follow this.
Hmm.
Akshay. You tell them after you. Bhumika, show me the answer.
Sir.
Abhiram. Yeah, Abhiram, now it is right. Abhiram, correct. You are going correctly. Abhiram, right. Write the next one. Silicon, you are written the silicon, right? Follow that. Bhumika, right. Bhumika, right. You are following the rule. Sushrita, not clearly visible. Yeah, Shashank Hegde, right. Shashank Hegde, you are right. Sushrita, I am not able to see you. 3s2, 3p. Yeah, right. Sushrita also right. Shashank Hegde, right. Display your answers. Purnachandra, Rachita, display your answers. Rachita, you know it. No need of displaying the answer. Rachita. Rachita, any doubt you have?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. You are right. No problem. You have written correctly. Then what happened? Danya, it is right now. Danya, corrected. Correctly written. Danya, you have written correctly. Okay, Purnachandra, your answers are not clearly visible here. Ambika, you are showing the other what I have written. Show me this one: magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, and sulfur. Purnachandra are not clear. Purnachandra are not clear. Another it's not clear. Still close you bring. Now you move to Sri Krishna, you anti-clockwise. Show me the turn anti-clockwise. Sri Krishna, display your answers anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. ಈ ಕಡೆ turn ಮಾಡು, left side turn ಮಾಡು. Turn your answer to left side. No, left. You are moving right. Left side. Turn anti-clockwise. Just book on anti-clockwise move ಮಾಡು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಪೂರ್ಣಚಂದ್ರ anti-clockwise ಮಾಡು ಅದನ್ನ. ಪೂರ್ಣಚಂದ್ರ ಹೆಗಡೆ anti-clockwise ಮಾಡು. ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸರಿ ಇದೆ. ಪೂರ್ಣಚಂದ್ರ anti-clockwise ಮಾಡು, clockwise ಅಲ್ಲ anti-clockwise. ನಿನ್ನ ಬಲ ಎಡಗಡೆ ತಿರ್ಸಿ. ಎಡಗಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. Abhiram, you are right there. No need to show. Yeah. Not clear. Yeah. Who is this? Anushree, right? Anushree, you are correct. Your answers are right. ಯಾರ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಒಂದ್ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ತನುಷ ಏನಿದು ಸುಮಾರಷ್ಟು ಐಡಿಯಿಂದ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಶ್ರಾವಣಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಶ್ರಾವಣಿ did not display the answer.
ಸರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಆನ್ಸರ್
ಸರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಆರ್ಯನ್ right. Anudeep right. Anudeep correct it is. ಪೂರ್ಣಚಂದ್ರ ಹೆಗಡೆ. ಪೂರ್ಣಚಂದ್ರ ಸರಿ ಇದೆ. ಪೂರ್ಣಚಂದ್ರ you are right. Your answer is right. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರೋ ತೋರಿಸದೇ ಇದ್ದವ್ರು ನೋಡಿ. Those are not display the answer please. ಪ್ರಣವ್ ಹೆಗಡೆ, ಪ್ರೀತಮ್, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೇಶ್, ಕರುಣ್ did not display your answers. So Satvik did not display your answer. Tanusha did not display your answer. Ambika did not display the magnesium. ಮತ್ತೇನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅದು ಬರೀತೇನೆ ನೋಡಿ. So next is which one? Magnesium we wrote. Aluminum is 13. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. See here, till here it is nothing but electronic configuration of neon. EC of neon. Till here it is EC of neon. Neon atomic number is 10. This you have to write. Next, see after 2p, here 2p is there. After 2p comes 3s. So 3s. See 3s in F shell, S subshell only 2 electrons can be occupied. Rest of the electron, rest 1 electron. Aluminum is 13. Till here it is 12. So one of the electron gets in the 3p orbit. Then write silicon. Silicon is 14. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next is after 2p, 3s comes. 3s2. The capacity of s is 2. Then after 3s if we take 3p comes. 3p. How much? So 14, that is 2. Correct it. So silicon, after silicon phosphorus comes. 15. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. See here. Till this p is occupied till 6. 6 electron can be occupied in p. That's why we have to fill all the electrons in p only for all the elements till the p becomes fully filled. till P becomes fully filled. Yeah, right. Ambika, you are right. Understood. This is how to write the electronic configuration. So phosphorus, sulfur 16. So 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p. How much? 16 means 4. 4, 5, 6. So 16 it becomes. Next you write. Next one you only write. Next is sulfur. After sulfur comes chlorine. Chlorine 17, argon 18, and potassium 19, and calcium 20. Write the next 4 and display your answers. Write next 4 and display your answers. Purnachandra, what happened? Purnachandra, you raised your hand.
By miss, sir.
Okay. So write this. So again, four attempts I have given. 4 elements I have given. Write that electronic configuration of these 4 elements: chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. So somebody have written Aditya Hegde. Yeah, Aditya, you are absolutely right. Your answer is right. Good, very good. Rachita, show me the answer. Those are finished. Display your answer by switch on your video and display your answers. Swasti. Yeah, you are right, Swasti. Yeah, you are right, but fully you are right. Full electronic configuration. You are right. Swasti, you are right. Thank you. Yeah, Rachita, display. Yeah, Diksha, right. Yeah, 3D. Diksha, show me the answer once. Diksha, show me the answer. Diksha, 3D will never come there. Say, follow this. I'm telling you, follow this. You have to follow this upper rule. Ready? 3P ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 4S ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 3D ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Diksha, 3D will never come. It is 4S. There is a reason for that. 3D is higher energy
Yes, sir.
level. So here, in place of 3D, you write 4S. Yeah, Aryan right. Aryan, you are right. Close the video. Rachita, right. Close the video. Sri Krishna, show me the answer properly here. Sri Krishna, it is not clear. Yeah, who is this? Bhumika Kesi, you are right. Bhumika, good. Close your video. Good. Abhiram, right answer. Aditya, right answer. Aditya, close your video. You are right. Diksha, 4S2. Yeah, you are right. Danya, you are right. Good. Swati, right. Swati, your answer is right. Yeah, Vaishnavi are right. Yeah, right. Vaishnavi, you are right. Your answer is right. Thank you. Anudeep, it's not clear here. Chaya, your answer is right. Sri Krishna, clarity illa. Shravani, clear illa Shravani. Yeah, who is Purna Chandra? Your answer is right. Purna Chandra, you are right. So, any doubt ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. If you have any doubt regarding this, you call me. Anushree, right. Pritham, right. Pritham, you are right. Shravani, ಒಂದು ತೋರಿಸು, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 potassium, calcium ತೋರಿಸು ಸಾಕು. Display the answers of potassium and calcium. Don't try to display everything. It's not possible. Clear illa nodu. Shravani, it is not clear. Yeah, Anudip, it's clear now. Yeah, you are right. Anudip is right. Yeah, Ambika, you are right. Ambika, good. So, Sushrita, right. You are right. Your answer are right. Sri Krishna, yeah. Now it is clear to me. Yeah, right. Good. Pritham, you are right. Already I told. I have seen your answer. Thank you. So I hope till here concept is clear. Go through the textbook and read the textbook once. If you have still any doubt, you can ask the question. Is it clear? I hope you have understood. Those who have understood the concept, please raise your hands because it's very important. Next year you need this concept. Why I am giving the stress over this? Because this is very essential part for the next year also. If you don't write the electronic configuration, it needs you will have very less problems in chemistry. For the next year, I am talking about. So in the next year, completely one chapter concept depending on this only. That's why. Others, I hope everyone understood this. Not raising your hands. Aditya Hegde, Ambika, Pritham, Anudeep, Bhumika. Okay. So I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt regarding this, just call me. Thank you. So we'll end the class. Thank you very much. The doubt is ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಬರೀ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ಬರೀ ನೋಡುವ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಬರೀ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಬರೀ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಯಂ ಬರೀ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ ಬರೀ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೀಷಿಯಂ 12 Betul.